Hey everyone, so in this section, this little adventure, we'll be making a hotel sniffer with Python through the Violent Python book. It's not a long script for the most part, it seems like it's only 30 sentences or so. So in the beginning, we'll import our trusty dusty little opt parser, which allows us to use the parsing, which is really nice with all this. I like how it looks. And then we will be creating our first function, which is the find guest. You'll be putting the packet into it. From there, we'll be assigning the raw variable with sprintf. And that will take in the raw load from the packet that is the printf. From there, then we also need a name, which looks like it's using regular expressions. What that's doing is finding the first variable, the first iteration. I think that's what I stands for, of the last name. And then the dot star goes for everything. And then this second and is what says, I think it means that. So like it does this, and then it also takes in the raw input as the argument. And then for the second one, for the room, we were doing the exact same thing. So what I did there was Control C on that, and then you can just Control V on the next line. As long as you don't highlight anything, it takes the whole line. And then with the room, we need the room number. And then with that, the only syntax difference is it's looking for double quotes instead of single. Still asking for raw. And then if the name is print, the plus inside of the brackets just means it's a regular notification. Exclamation means it's emergency, and then there's minus, which means it's a negative. And then we will notify our user that we found a hotel guest, and then from there we will create a string with the name, which is in the 0 spot of the array. And then from there, show the room number. And then again with room 0. So using the first part of the room. So that's from the name and the room from above, and then we put that in if we find any user with that, and then print that on the screen for our user, which would be you. And then we'll define the main from there. I guess this one's shorter than the majority of all the rest of them. Not much to it. All it is finding that. And then we're creating our parser from here. then if we found one, we'll use the flag -I to find it with the interface. And that's all we have. And then we're going to parse or add the option. And then right away, that's what the flag that we want them to make. And then we're going to specify interface to listen on. And that is definitely the help, not the destination. Oh, that's funny. And then dest will be interface. And then we'll create the type also. So then the type is a string because that's what we're looking for. And then we're done with that. That's the one option. And then from there, we'll add the options in the arguments. And then we'll tell the parser to parse the arguments. Then if options interface is equal to none, which if there's nothing filled out, then we'll print the parser for them to guide them. Else, I think that's confirm the I face, which is the interface, if I'm correct. And then we're assigning that. Try is a new thing to me. I'm used to JavaScript, so try something different. I think it's pretty neat seeing the try or accept. I think that JavaScript also has try and expect, but I don't really use it too often. So then the star above it is more of a notification than a finding, so the plus would be a finding, the star is a notification. Starting the hotel guest sniffer. Want to store 0 values, look for the find dest, have that in there, and then if our script cannot find anything, then want to be interrupted and exit the program so we don't endlessly run as much CPU power as Chrome does. And then from there, that is everything. Thank you for joining in on this little adventure. I appreciate you for watching and hope you have an amazing day.